Okay, everybody, we're here taking a look at the Razer ManO'War Tournament Edition. This is the Destiny 2 edition that I have here. We're looking at the headband, how to replace the headband. So, headband is right there at the top, and basically, it looks like this when you take it out. This is the Overwatch version. So, it has two plastic pieces on the sides, and basically these are going to push into each side of the headband. You can see here the white, and you can see these little plastic pieces are right there on this headband. There you go, and then down there, and then down there. So it's a nice easy installation. It's only going to take you, like a minute to do this, and let's give it a crack. So what you want to do is these plastic parts here slot into a opening that is underneath the headphone right here. You can see the black in between the white here. Now you see that black there, just in front of it there's a clip, and that clip secures the headband to the headphone. So when you go to remove the headband, it feels a little bit tough because of that clip, but it's not, and when you start pulling on it, don't worry, you're not going to break the frame. It's just that clip that is securing it. Once you get it through there, it's out, no problem. So all you're going to do is grip the side here, right down by the frame of that headband, the bottom part of it. So I'm going to grip it right on the white right there, and then I'm going to take my other finger and pointing finger and my thumb. I'm going to grip it right here and hold the actual headband itself. And I'm going to use my left hand, just pull that away. And it pops out. And the other side comes out. Even though this is out now, the other side still has the clip, so you still have to do the same thing over here and pull that out. There you go. She's done. And putting it back in, just as easy as taking it out. You're just going to look here. You can see that right there. Whoops. There you go. You can see this plastic little slot, which is where these ends go. You're just going to line it up with one, push it in, so secure this side here, and then just push it in. Where is it? There we go. That one is in, and all I'm going to do is stretch this one out here, line it up, and then push that one in too. And there you have it, all done. Stay in the loop with our news, reviews, and how-tos. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. And if you're really keen, you might even be able to slide into Monty's DMs.